Hello everyone, my name is Yusuf Anka. I'm in the FBO team for summer 2019's senior project. We're working on EForT. Our product owner and mentor is Dr. Masood, and here's our contact information in case you have any further questions. So my tutorial today is going to be an alternative way for Windows users for running an EForT branch or any EForT repository from any team and running your tests. So even though there are other ways, I wanted to provide an alternative one since the simple ones didn't work for me. In case someone has the same issue in the future, they can do it this way. So once you have your EForT project from whatever branch you want to test, we're going to run the project on Visual Studio. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a solution or project for a server. So for EForT to run, we need to run Web API and EForT, both projects. So the way to set it up is by going into Start a Project. Where we have EForT and Web API, we have Start. So it's going to run both projects on the click. So let's build. Well, let's clean first. Let's build. Okay, now we can run. Okay. This usually happens the first time it's run. You just need to rerun it. It should be working. Okay, so you see how it ran both instances for API and for EForT. API won't open anything which is necessary, and the EForT one is the one that's gonna open up the project. And as you see, it's working. Now just to check that the database has been connected. Yeah, it's retrieving the list. So now we're good. We're running our server. So in here, you can run with Caledon any new tests to test any new features. For example, here I'm using EFBT Sprint 1. If I log in, yeah, I can see the new features in here. So it's running the EForT server it's supposed to. Now to run any other tests you already have from the past to do regression testing, I tried using Visual Studio 2, another instance, but it wasn't working. It was giving me too many errors, couldn't figure it out. So I thought maybe if I run them on Visual Studio Code, it may make a difference, and it did. It actually works. So here I'm on my functional folder. So you can see here, it's everything inside, and here's where the solution in the project is. So now when we are in the same directory as the project, we'll build .NET build. I don't know why these errors are. Oh yeah. When you have this Gecko driver error, usually what you have to do is, because it's running on the back end, go to your task manager. Look for Gecko driver and terminate it. Okay, now let's try building again. Okay, now we're good. And then after this, all you have to do is run your tests. And they'll be ran on the server you're already running here on Visual Studio. So now it should open up. Oh, my bad. It's .NET test, not run. And as you see, it will open it and start doing the testing. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Hope the video is useful enough. If you have any more questions, here again is the contact information for everyone and the project owner, Dr. Masood. Thank you very much.